Hi guys, you're welcome to another edition of my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money as a student by mining crypto coins. This might look absurd to you, but it is of a serious concern. Have you heard about cryptocurrency? People are making money out of it. Have you heard of Elon Musk? He's a billionaire. From where? Cryptocurrency trading. So today now, I'm going to share with you some of the gene behind this mining of cryptocurrency. Remember, most of the coins you see today, like you see Bitcoin, you see Ethereum, you see Binance, these coins started from mining. Today, the value of Bitcoin is 20,143,166 naira. That is the price of Bitcoin. As at when Bitcoin was under mining, a lot of people ignored it. Some people leveraged the opportunity, they mined, and then when they mined, the first thing they need to do after mining, the next thing is they wait for it to be launched. And so when once it is launched, at the initial stage, the price is always down. The price is always down. Like it can be $4, it can be $6, it can be $10. At that point, you need to be what? You need to be patient. And so that is what I'll be sharing with you today. How can you make money from this? A lot of people have made money, but where did it start from? Just mining. And mining does not take any money from you. It is absolutely free. Absolutely free. So, but today, can you mine Bitcoin again? No, you can't mine. Even to buy just one, you cannot what? You cannot buy, because the price of Bitcoin is very, very expensive. But look at Ethereum today. Is it under mining? No, you can't mine Ethereum today because the price have gone high. So the question now you should be asking yourself is, which legit cryptocurrency is under mining today? Because just one of it can change your life in the next years to come. So the question is, which cryptocurrency is under mining today? Just of recently, Core was under mining. That is under the Satoshi app, Core. And then it has been listed. At least it is $1 thereabouts, and we believe that in some years to come, Core price will do what? Will absolutely shoot, just like Bitcoin. And so there are so many coins today that I want to share with you that are still under mining. Number one is Pi. Pi was launched about 3 years ago, and up to now they are still mining Pi. The market value as was checked was very, very impressive, and that means that if Pi is to be launched, that means that it will actually do well. So that is one of it. And secondly, we have Avive. Avive is another cryptocurrency that is under mining today. And Avive now, if you mine each day, they will give you a value. This particular value that is showing on my screen now, Bitcoin, they will be sharing this value with you every single day. Every single day they'll be sharing this value with you. And also, if you refer someone to also mine this Avive, they will also give you a particular value. And this value that I'll be sharing on my screen with you, they also give you this particular value every single referral you make. And so you can see, even Core, when Core was under mining, they also share Bitcoin, and this Bitcoin they give to you is sellable. So if you can refer as many people as possible, then if you can refer thousands of people as possible, then you are absolutely making a way to getting one Bitcoin. And I will shock you, a lot of people have used this platform of Avive to be making 0.001, 0.1, 0.5, 0.9 Bitcoin. So it's possible you can too. Just from the mining stage of this Avive coin, you can make out your way. but the thing is to see it as a legit hustling for you as a student and to put your best in it. That is one way you can make money out of the mining stage of this particular coin, Avive. Then keep on mining, keep on referring. Once you refer to other people to the coin, to mine the coin with you, your mining rates will increase. And it's the same thing like Pi. But once you refer people to come and mine, your mining rate will increase. Just as the saying goes, we rise by lifting others. So when you share with others this Viv that will also share with you today the links, then you do what? You increase your mining rate. Another one is Bondex. This is another cryptocurrency that is under mining. Another one is SIDRA Bank. Is another cryptocurrency that is under mining. And then the last one that I will share with you is BNDX Network. These cryptocurrencies that I'm sharing with you today are cryptocurrencies that are under mining. And I promise you, in the next 10 years or 15 years to come, I trust you, after they have launched these coins, the value of these coins will not remain the same. Just like Bitcoin, initially when it was launched, the value was nothing to write them about. But today, look at the value, the market value of Bitcoin, 2,143,166 naira. That is an amazing value. And assuming you mined Bitcoin when Bitcoin was launched, today you'll be a millionaire. So in essence, what am I saying? Leverage the opportunity now that it has come to you again. We have Avive, we have Pi, we have Bondex, we have SIDRA Bank, we have BNDX Network. There are so many other cryptocurrencies that are under mining. But the big question is, are you ready to leverage? If you're ready, then look at the description section of this my video. Then I've shared all the links to this cryptocurrency. What you need to do is that follow up this link, download the app. Then if you have any question, you can see my WhatsApp number showing on my screen. You can follow me up, you can ask any question that you want. I'll be of help to you. And don't forget, in each of these network or in each of these coin, there is a referral link. I will also share each of the referral link in the link that I'll be sharing with you. Please don't forget to use those referral links. And that is the same thing you do to your team which you've referred. Thank you for being with me in this video, and please don't forget to mine. That is, don't forget to mine. In that way, you are keeping or you're saving money for yourself in the future. You might not benefit it now, but you might benefit it in the future. But another important thing I need to share with you is that make sure you write your username and your password to each and every of these core of this cryptocurrency you start mining, or your username to each of these cryptocurrency. Write it down in your diary. It is unfortunate that some persons who mined Bitcoin share their experiences that today they lost their Bitcoin username and access code, all because they did not write it down. They save it in their phone, and once their phone get lost, everything get lost. So don't make that same mistake. What you need to do is that just write them down in your diary, in a book where you always refer them to. And I bet you will not forget. You always remind me, and you will not forget this video that you watch. Just follow up the link at the description, and then your life will change in the years to come. Thank you very much.